Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where simplicity meets technique. You're watching Big Live Series, Part 6. In this video, I will show you how you can chat in the Bigo Live application. So, for that, you need to open your Big Live application first. In this homepage, you can see various icons below. Click on the chat icon next to the camera icon. By tapping on the profile of the person, you will be able to chat with them. You can type any message, emojis, and send it to that person. Here, this person is Fred with me, so I could find this person in my chat list. But if you want to chat with some new person, then first you need to go to their profile. Go to the profile of that person. Below, you will see the chat option. By clicking on it, you will be able to chat with them. You can type any message or emojis and send it to the person. So, this is how you chat in Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.